Hey guys, welcome back to channel Techno Spark. We are back after the long time. And I didn't mean to make the video after a very long time. Like seriously, it's about 3 to 4 weeks since the last video. The thing is, between this time period, there are two videos which were scrapped. So you can understand, and one of it was even went to the procedure of editing. But it got scrapped, and second one got interrupted by something. So yeah, I couldn't make videos for the month. So today and the topic of those videos were completely different from today's video. I may recreate them later on, but in today's video I'm going to be teaching you about Microsoft Access. Yes. So most of you might not know what is Microsoft Access. It's a part of Microsoft Office. You can get it, but it is not included with each and every plan of Microsoft Office. For example, let me show you this. Okay, so as you can see, to get this, you need to first go to the Microsoft website and you need to go for the business tab. You need to buy the subscription one. So the basic one does not include Microsoft Access. We have Microsoft 365 apps for business standard and business premium. This is like 595 rupees per month, 660 rupees per month, and this is like 155 rupees per month. If you want this in dollars, you can get it. I will display it in bracket. So these are the prices, and as you can see down here, what you get Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, Access, and Publisher. Publisher is another thing which is again topic for another video. Then again, in this you also get Access and Access. In this one you don't get, as I told you just now. So in order to get Access, you need to get this plan. You cannot get it individually according to my knowledge, and I don't think you can get it. So you need to buy the entire Microsoft Business subscription. If we have it, that's practically great. So okay, once this is done, what you want to do is just go to search and then just write off search for Access. I use it to a bit much time so that I can just search what I can make up for the video. So open it, and as you can see, you will land on this page called just home page of Access. This is similar UI to all other Microsoft Office applications. Office 2019. For example, if you compare this to like maybe Word, and as you can see, it's practically the same exact thing. You have the home, the color scheme is different probably. Then you have like home, new, open, account, and all those things. Then you have more templates, recent pin, your thing. So that's how it's probably similar to all other Office applications. So I don't need to get into depth about the home screen. So to create a new database, I mean, as in Word you call it document, PowerPoint presentation, Excel worksheet, it is called database in Access. So when you get this, you have to name it. So I'm going to name it. So for this purpose of this video, I'm going to be demonstrating it on how it could be beneficial. I mean, again, this is a tutorial. So like I'm going to create like an attendance sheet for a school. So I'm going to be naming it School Attendance Sheet. Then you will have the location where it is gonna store it. I want to change it right now, as this is for video. I will store it in my video thing. So you can just choose your folder. You can see I'm going like, okay, wait, what? There you go. School attendance sheet, and it would be Microsoft Access 2007 to 2016 databases. You can just save it though, you don't need to change it. Just click on OK, and this will be changed forever. You need to change it again, or the other way is just save it where it was and then later move it. So I'm going to do with this thing, and you want to click on this create button. As you can see, this thing is kinda similar to Microsoft Excel, yes, but what I'm seeing, what is attendance? Access is even like professional. That's why you saw you don't get it in the home plans, but you need to go in business. Okay, so as you can see, as I told you, I'm going to be doing this on a school attendance sheet, meaning it is about a person, not maybe it some there are some columns which I'm gonna add, which is the name of the person, the grade where it got promoted to, the grade it got promoted from, the fees he paid, its roll number or GR number, whatever you call it, and the fees remaining. So I'm just gonna fast forward it because it is gonna take time. I'm going to just slow it down when I want to cover some important thing, but I'll just show you how to do the first one. You need to click to add, and as I'm going to add text, I'll choose which short text and I'll start. Okay. So yeah, if you want to, you might know if you, when you want to create a new field for fees paid, it's probably going to be in currency. So to add currency, what you want to do is just click on add, and you will go down and you will find currency. Or if you don't want to do like this, just go to the tab called table fees, which it will automatically go to, and click on currency and it would just add it here. So I'm going to be just clicking it here and calling this field fees paid, and you can click tab and then like currency. And again, as you might know, it can't fit, so similar to Excel, Microsoft Excel, you can just expand this so you can probably see what is the content. So yeah, this is similar to Excel. Accesses some of the things similar to Excel. My words, some, not all, and not even most. So just going here, fees remaining. This is gonna be a long column. Remaining to pay. There you go. Okay. So there you go. So this is the thing which I have created. So it will automatically get the ID. So what I want to do is fill a couple of names, random roll numbers. As I'm showing examples, it's probably random roll numbers. This is official from the school. Well then, you probably know they have to refer all that things, but I'm not gonna get it right now. I'm not a teacher, principal, or whatever. I just am telling what I know from my knowledge, whatever. So the student names got to be, I will just add random names. So name it Tom. Roll number is got to be from starting from 1000 maybe. Promoted from. So I'm going to enter the grade it promoted from, he, she, whatever. So maybe he promoted from like 5th grade, promoted to, from let's say 5th grade A to 6th grade C. So he paid about, practically speaking, the fees regularly which I am identifying are about like in secondary section, at least I'm talking from India, not from outer states, as I have no idea. I just know what are like middle school or elementary schools or whatever. We're not gonna talk about that right now. So I can just like say, so practically I'm going to show you how to convert the currency, but as I'm going to adding this from dollars, let's say he paid about $75 worth of fees. 75.99 he paid, and maybe the fee is $100. So maybe I'll add 100.0. Let's do 99.99. Whatever. Changing my mind. 199 thing. Okay. So this thing is going to be remaining same. So what you can probably do is just add it. You don't need to put the dollar sign as it is a currency you created. So when you just put the number and just move out of that cell or whatever it's called, it would automatically add the dollar sign. So maybe the next person, I have to search for names, man. Come on. Okay, if his name is Arun, or Aaron, whatever spell it as. Roll number 1001, promoted from like, maybe he didn't promote from 5th grade to 6th grade. He promoted from 7th grade to 8th grade. So maybe I'll put it 8E. So this is, you probably got an idea what's it about. I'm going to fast forward it or maybe even cut it because there is no, I'm putting this. The video is already 12 minutes long right now without any edits. So yeah, I'm just gonna pause it. Apparently I made a mistake right here. Fees remaining to pay. Okay, this is just a bad mistake. Fees remaining to pay. It's not the total fee. I was understanding it as total fee. So this will change according to it. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so the last one, I'll add Steve. Wait, what I'm doing? Yes, Steve. What is that? Steve numbers gotta be 1005. Gotta be some random division I'm gonna put. I'm just getting lazy right now, whatever. So yeah, I'm just gonna put 75, 99, 0, 2. Okay, so as you can see, we have successfully wrote our table, meaning this is the data which you have filled. But now you want to review everything. I mean, the data, you have this, and like you can't just view it like this. There is like, let's do in a sort of like a form. So to create a form, you need to go to create tab up here. You'll click on a thing called form. You need to first save this. Click on yes and click on, I'm just gonna name it student data. So student data. As you can see, we have the student data. You click on OK, and as you can see, the new thing is created. Yeah, there you go. I was a bit confused. So also, this will only refer, I mean, as you can see, the ID. This ID is this ID, not the roll number which you yourself put. So imagine if you are like a teacher and like, no, not like a principal, you want to review data. So like the serial number 1 is like Tom, his roll number is 1000, promoted from 5th A to 6th C, like from like elementary to middle school. He paid $75.99. Remaining is $199. So that's the thing. If you want to look for the another, you can just click on this record and next one. As you can see, ID 2, and it would keep on loading the next stuff. When it reaches the end, it will just, like as you can see, probably this is what it was created. So I'll just fill it for the sake of it. Can you stop doing this? I'm just gonna erase this. Whatever. I'm gonna name it Steven 1006 10th A to like college, so nothing here. The other thing which I was wanting to show you guys is the currency change. So when you go to this currency thing, as you can see, you have go to like the table fields and you can just click on this dollar thing. Okay, so probably you need to, I think you first need to close this. I'm gonna save this. Yes, and double click this. This is the most annoying thing in Access. You have to double click stuff. So maybe this would work right now. I don't know what. Yeah, there you go. Dollar. Oh, okay. Just a minute. Okay, so I think you cannot. I mean, yesterday only I was doing this. What I'm speaking. Yeah. So I think when you click on this button, just like going here and like these all things, this is similar which we learned in like Excel. What happened just here? Okay, never mind, there you go. So what you can do is like format, and your like general number, which is regular number, currency would be United States dollar, euro would be like euro currency, and I can't find another currency right here. So I guess we need to stick with dollars. So yeah, that's I bet all. So this was the first part. I think I'm going to create the second part. I don't know. I mean, there are other things which I want to showcase, like a whole new OS. Again, that's a hint. So yeah, and also if you somehow manage to keep like stay until the end, there is an advertisement for a new Discord server, whatever. So as you can see, this is our server. There is a link to download, a link to join it down in the description. So please do join this. Currently there is no one right now. I just created it. Let's see who joined it. So yeah, that's all I have for today. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, so click on like, share, subscribe. Meet you in the next video. Have a good day.